Good day, students. This is mathematics class for grade 7, chapter 1, Integers. Today, let us learn the method of adding a positive integer to a positive integer on the number line. So, I will take an example, that is adding a positive integer. Suppose I take a positive integer, that is plus 5. Adding a positive integer to a positive integer. Adding a positive integer to a positive integer. Or simply we can write this as plus 5. I can write it as simply 5. Plus, this is adding. This one plus 2, I can write it as just 2. So now first let us go in this pattern, that is plus 5 plus 2. This is same as this one. So adding a positive integer to a positive integer. Now first on the number line we move to 5, that is plus 5. We start from 0 and we move to 5. And we add the positive integer plus 2, isn't it? So we move 2 to the right. 1, 2 here. So where did we reach? We reached 7, isn't it? So we got 5 plus 2 as 7. Did you get this, students? Okay. Now let us learn the method of adding a negative integer to a positive integer. Okay, look here, students. This is the second one, that is adding a negative integer to a positive integer. Is this clear, students? Adding a negative integer to a positive integer, that is adding a negative integer. For example, I will take minus 2. Minus 2 is a negative integer. I am adding this minus 2 to a positive integer, that is plus 5. I am adding a negative integer to a positive integer. When we added in the first one plus 2, when we added plus 2, we moved to the right, isn't it? It was 5 plus 2. We moved to 5 and then 2 steps further, that is to the right itself. Now here, now we have to add minus 2, isn't it? That is a negative number. So when we added plus 2, we moved to the right. Since we are adding a negative number, we need to move to the left. That is, first let us move to 5. Let us move to 5. And then since we have to add minus 2, that is a negative number, we need to move 2 steps to the left. That is here, 2 steps, 1 step and 2 steps. So this is plus 5 and this becomes minus 2. So where did we reach? We reached to plus 3. So what is plus 5 plus minus 2, it is 3, or we can write plus 3, or simply we can write it as 3. Is this clear, students? Yes. Now next, let us learn adding of the positive integer to a negative integer. So now this was negative integer to a positive integer, isn't it, students? Okay, now next we have third one as adding a positive integer to a negative integer. So here the third one is adding a positive integer to a negative integer. Example is adding a positive integer to a negative integer. So here once again, now we have to move towards the left from 0. That is it, because it is a negative number, minus 5, isn't it? So from 0 I am moving to the left, 5, that is minus 5. Now we have to add 2, isn't it? So we will move 2 steps to the right. We will move 2 steps to the right. So here I reached. So I got minus 3. So minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3. So also I can write minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3. Is this clear, students? So if it is a negative, if we are adding a negative number, we need to move to the left, and if I have to add a positive number, I have to move to the right. Remember this. And here we have a negative number. Without using the number line, how do we get the answer, students? It is when one positive integer and one negative integers are added. If they are added, we take their difference. What is their difference? Minus 5 plus 2, what is their difference? It is 3, isn't it? Minus 5 plus 2. The difference is 3. And place the sign of the bigger integer. Now, in this, which is the bigger integer? It is 5, isn't it? 5 is the bigger integer. See only the numbers, not the signs. 5 is the bigger integer. So, what is the sign of 5? It is minus, isn't it? So, we need to place minus sign here in the answer. Is this clear, students?